Hey man. Hey man, what it is, you already know who it is. T.Joe, 0 for the O, you feel me? And right now it's 5:35 a.m. I gotta show y'all the time so y'all know I mean no games. You know what I'm saying? What I say really is what it is. Like, we up early with it, trying to make something happen. But anyways, let's really get into it. Alright. Let me put this on. So, me and my buddy, we were on Facebook yesterday. And we ended up coming across this. A 1999 Kawasaki Zx9r. So, doesn't start. Owner doesn't know what's wrong with it. But for $500, I think we can figure it out. You feel me? So, my buddy, he's supposed to be up by 5, so we can hurry up and go to the gym and then go check out the bike this morning. But I know he's not up. I know he's still sleeping. So I'm gonna wait till like 6:37. Then I'm gonna hit him up. Then we gonna slide out. So 6:35 right now. You know what I'm saying? Cool timing. We ready to get right and then go to the gym, work out for a bit because the storage place don't open. So we like, fuck, we ready to work out together. We ready to go to the gym, knock this workout out, and then after that, we gonna go straight to the bikes. But don't worry though, cause I'm gonna keep y'all updated. Y'all gonna see the gym content too, man. We gonna be right there with it, like everything getting recorded, like for real. Y'all see where we at, man. We at crib with it. We at his crib with it.
Hello? Oh, yeah, that was me. What's all this stuff on the back of this truck? What, to hold the backdrop up?
Morning time game. I'm excited, man. I'm real excited. Trying to get this bike. Ooh, my hand's kind of ashy. Hold up. As a black, dark-skinned man in America, I'm telling you, man, you gotta keep you some lubrication, bro. Crazy. Crazy. Hopefully the ZX900. Hopefully it's something minor, but either way, we're getting it for the low, so can't. You know what I'm saying? Can't beat it. What we about to hit today?
What are we gonna hit today? That was the greatest question today.
No cap. That's what I asked him yesterday. We didn't even come to a conclusion.
Nah, we live though. Bike, good price. Sorry, it's early. But man, we're stoked, man. A lot of stock for y'all. Great video. Let's get it.
Yeah, I got an extra man. it like it's just squeezing your chest?
That shit hurt. How's it feel?
Stressful. Is it too high?
See? Yeah.
Nah, so you can plant your feet and then get that
true.
full like power.
That's true.
Drop it down by like 1 or 2. And then let you slide your body out a little bit. Yeah, like that.
God.
You almost
I was
had it.
trying.
Nah, you good though. You good.
That's wicked.
Good shit.
Hey. We finna get another bike, man. Let's go. A little heated. We about to get to that bitch soon as they open. I'm talking about early.
Alright, man.
So that's gonna come
Hey, where my shit at?
And I don't hate every girl your eyes come through. It's up in the purse.
Am I open?
Nah.
Damn.
Nah, for real. Where you her place? Oh shit, they gotta open it again. Will win.
You said drive all the way down? Nah, do it burn out right there. Oh shit.
Be like, this dumbass wanted to take off.
Y'all see what this nigga's on, bruh.
My bad.
They put something in his smoothie, bruh. But anyways, man, we about to hook up the trailer right now.
Definitely.
I'm gonna hook that bad boy up right now.
Ooh, we got Aiden, dog. Hey, shout out Aiden, big dog. We got Aiden helping us, man.
Yeah. Zx9r.
Zx9r.
Yeah.
San Antonio.
That's a drive.
It was a drive, bro. Stupid deal. Retarded deal. Like, I'm gonna show you when I went to San Antonio, guys. I'll show you.
Take it easy.
Yes,
All right, thanks, bro.
Perfect.
On the way we go.
Let's get it!
Alright, man, pulling up to the spot right now. We about like a couple seconds away. What is it?
Nigga, I think we're here. Looking for 10. 2.
Alright, this is like that's 11 right there.
Yeah.
Alright, bet.
I'm gonna call it this ticket. Yeah, this is right here.
Yeah, just move up a little bit, like right there.
My bad, I'm fiending over here, y'all. Literally, nigga.
Bye.
Okay. Craig,
Sean.
Sean,
Joe.
nice to meet you.
Okay.
Okay. Oh yeah, here you go. Show you my bike.
Oh, we be rolling.
I ain't gonna lie, it's definitely blown up.
Damn.
I got a single ounce of compression.
How you know that?
It was in gear.
Oh, that's gear.
That's gear. You hear it clicking, that's the gears.
It is not going no more down.
I'm in first right now. Hold on.
But first, it wouldn't continue to do that if that was first. First would have just been like a nud.
Yeah. Regardless, none of them got compression, so like you can't really,
Right.
you can barely differentiate, but
Probably can get it through there, yeah. You can get it through. Pull it up. Pull it up. Okay. That's what I was talking about, yeah. Fuel pump is connected.
yeah, I saw that. I didn't want to like pull it off.
Yeah.
But I mean, I ain't gonna lie.
Oh, you be riding too?
He know a little bit more than me, I ain't gonna lie.
The elbow came from riding.
Hell yeah.
Bro, this nigga was riding, he came around the corner, he wanna be Miss Melina McLeanerson. Dirt bike slid right from under there.
I was on dirt bike. I don't know what happened, boy. I ate all gravel. I had rocks in my mouth. The only thing I looked up and they like this and asked my cousin, is my teeth gone? There was a number of rocks in there. Yeah, I'm talking about skinned all this stuff.
Ooh, you know what kind of dirt bike it was?
Nope, I ain't never got back on there or nothing.
Yeah, fair enough. What's up, Joseph? What we looking like, dog?
Yeah, it's definitely going up, but I feel like you already hear it.
I mean, if you feel like tires are good.
Yeah. I couldn't tell you nothing about it. I don't ride, so.
It's recording.
Yes, sir. Fuck, okay. We in this bitch. I wonder if you know what I get some. I wonder if you know what I get some weed. Oh, God. Okay. I know they got some bud. Should I ask? Oh, God. Oh, God. Bring the cam.
But yeah, man, we done picked up the bike, Zx9r, man. Y'all see behind me. But
It's aggressive.
yeah,
It's way more aggressive than my bike.
I'm trying to tell you. You see how far back it is, like.
Bro, like, I know because my knee hurt.
And that's why this is like so short, because they really want you to get up in there, like.
Bro, this
but
really
you can
is 900.
Yeah. I ain't gonna lie, I kind of do want to like take the engine out and rebuild it. Like fuck it, like because it's like real shit. Like parts to rebuild it probably wouldn't be that much. Like.
It wouldn't even equal up to a $2,000 bike for now.
No cap.
But nigga, I knew it was a 900. Look at the RPM.
Yeah, nah, exactly. Literally, I seen that. Like, yeah, that's a 900. But for sure though. Shit, let's get moving though.
Nah, no cap. I'm about to get a grab for bro.
Alright, that's okay. Boom, boom. No cap. Busted his ass on this 900. This is the crack. Cracks buzzing. Yeah.
Nah, I ain't got no app.
But that's a bet though. We done got the bike already. I'm still deciding if I'm gonna rebuild it or not because I'm pretty sure the engine is blown. But like, I don't know. We still gotta break it down, diagnose it. It could be engine problem, it could be something else. But I'm gonna probably have to drop the engine. I don't know if I want to do that because I kind of want this series to be moving a little quickly. And dropping the engine, I'm gonna have to order tools, parts. I gotta order an engine stand for that. That's a lot. But I ain't gonna lie, if I got that done and I got to ride that hoe, that would be live though. So I don't know. But shit, it's nothing but a piston and some rings, right? That ain't nothing. But shit, we about to be on our way back. So let's get it. Alright man, we done already got the bike. You know what I'm saying? We done already got the bike, dropped it off at home, but we kinda in a rush because I do gotta get to work. So I couldn't really prop up the camera and record and all that. But we about to get it right.
We finna get it right, man. I love how the bike feels. It feels great. Nice bike. It's solid. I'm not even gonna lie. 900, dude. That thing shifts at 11,000 RPM. Badass. But other than that, man, great bike. Great trip. It was nice, man. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, but that's really the end of this vlog for real. In the next video, we're gonna try to get into what exactly is wrong with the bike and then what we gonna do with it. But until then, just go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. Show love to the channel and show love to the Craig channel too, man. He gonna be uploading soon for sure. So stay tuned and that's that.
Yes, sir.